Welcome on into the Faithful Studio. It is Friday. We got Smiley Pants over here coming off her birthday. She's got the birthday hangover. Yesterday was her birthday, and she's fighting the birthday hangover. Too much swimming, too much cake. And today's purpose of this video is to review the company that we unboxed Monday, which is Debonair Beard Company. And when we are talking about Debonair, I want to preface it this with the first thing that you guys need to think about is the way the Faithful Ranker score works is I talk a lot about presentation and design. He does not have a very good design in my opinion, but that's a big ranking factor in the Faithful Ranker score. So when I talk about scores, keep in mind if the design wasn't in there, it would be higher than it was. So let's first let Aubrey say hello.
Hello.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, everyone.
Well, it's your birthday yesterday. So you are, how old are you now?
8.
8 years old. What's going on with Daddy's teeth?
They're hurting.
How come?
Because your cheek is falling off.
Because my cheek is falling off. My cheek is not falling off, but they did cut my cheek quite a bit to get my wisdom teeth out. So let's start with beard oil here. We got mahogany teakwood. Mahogany teakwood here. Look at the label. Gold label, black print, pumper top, black bottle. Mahogany teakwood smells... I was scared of this one. Everybody said to get it because it was really good, and I'm like, do you have something to say?
You forgot to record.
Yeah, this is take 2 because I forgot to record on the first one. I'm not a big fan of mahogany or teakwood, so I didn't really want to do this scent, but everybody said it was so good. When I smell it, I get a really nice, sophisticated cologne. I don't really pick out the mahogany or the teakwood, so I think that's awesome. I love that. Oh, Aubrey wants a snifferoo.
It smells like doggies.
And then you got a shave and a haircut. A shave and a haircut here. This is his version of barbershop. I don't get talc. I don't get baby. I mean, I do get some baby powder, but there's something different in there, and I don't know if it comes down to like old school barbershop that I'm missing out on. Something I don't really know. We don't have a ton of barbershops
any scent yet
around here, but look at the label on here. You can see it's a little crinkled on the top, which affects me. But you're talking apricot, avocado, castor, coconut, grapeseed, hemp seed, sweet almond, and vitamin E oils. But the feel is impeccable. The feel is impeccable with these beard oils. I love them. Distinguished Gent right here. You're talking about sage, talc, and lemon lime. There's something really like sweet in it. What does that smell like?
beard soap.
She says it smells like beard soap. It's a sweet beard soap. Like I can see how she has soap, but to me it's like it's got a sweetness in there. I don't get like earthy sage out of it. Maybe the lemon lime is sweetening it up a little bit. I'm not 100% sure. But then you have Paul Bunyan. I don't know what you think of when you have Paul Bunyan, but do you think of orange peel, cinnamon, maple, apple, honey, vanilla, and brown sugar? Because that's what this is. And when I smell it, I get like the most outrageous...
Oh,
like,
it smells like gummies.
The most outrageous like cinnamon roll with frosting, but maybe apples on top too. There's a sweetness of apples in there, but cinnamon roll, caramel roll type thing. I don't know. It's just amazing. I love it. To me, it's awesome. So when I talk about like beard oils, this is what you have. What you see is what you get. This is it. Gold labels, black print, they're reflective. You got pumper tops. But the feel is what I really want to talk about. So again, keep in mind, somebody's bored, but when we rank it out, I do design, and it means a lot. Design is not scoring that well for these guys, but the feel, I have the feel at a 9.5. I mean, it's a really good feel. The scents are good. They're different. The scent duration is good, 4 to 8 hours, depending on the scent. Some linger, some don't. So I come in at a 9.1 on the Faithful Ranker score for the oils. And again, it just comes down to the design and the presentation. I think he could improve that a little bit, and maybe that'll come with time. But when we're talking about feel, what's really important, then that's what you're going to get. You're going to get the 9.5 on the feel. Feels really good. Then I got this little tester of the Balm. I can't talk too much about the Balm. There's not much really to talk about. It's a hard-holding balm. That's exactly the way a balm should be. You got the basic same carrier blend as the oils, but with mango butter and beeswax, so it gives you that hold. This is unscented. What's it smell like?
Unscented.
It smells like unscented, which AKA means nothing. I don't smell a lot of the carriers or the butters or any waxes or anything like that. So I really like this. So the balm, I'm going to come in at a 9. It held flyaways. It's a heavy hold balm, which is what I like in my balm products. And then we move on to the butter. Here you go. You got a 4-ounce butter. He does have it in 4-ounce or 8-ounce. So that's nice. You got the double wall here. And if you can see that right here, you got a double wall container. And this I got in this Distinguished Gent scent here. Again, just a clear white gold label on there. Nothing too impeccable.
Oh my goodness. It smells like sweet beard soap.
Smells like sweet beard soap. That's what she says about Distinguished Gent. So she knows. And it does. It smells the exact same as the oil does. So to me, just matching up the scents between butter and oil, that's awesome. Basically, you have shea butter and mango butter in the butter products on top of the carrier blend. So I really like that. I wore this at night. Really light hold, but really soft feel. Really moisturizing softness. I really, really enjoy the butter. And the fact that you can get in an 8-ounce, I can just be like...
Ah! Hey!
What?
They tricked us with that one.
They tricked us. All right. All right. So with the butter, I'm coming in at 9.1. I think this is really good. Again, the only thing really holding it back is the presentation, the design of it. But you get that out there. It's probably one of the best butters on the market. And then you have an unscented beard wash, which doesn't smell like anything. I get no cleaning agents, none of that. We got kid making faces over here. But this is really stripping and nice, and I like that. I don't like how small it is. I mean, in comparison to a beard oil bottle, there's the wash. Okay, shh. And somebody's making faces at you guys. So if you guys want to comment below and give a funny face back, what's your funny face? What's your childhood memory of your funniest funny face from your childhood? And comment that down below. Let Aubreigh know happy birthday and how she's doing. And then, so for the wash, there wasn't really a lot to rate out, so I give it an 8.7. Just basically, again, the design. But I really like it's a stripping wash, but there's nothing to really go on. No co-wash, no conditioner to give me back some of that softness and moisture. Then I talk about the company. I talked with him. Seems like a great guy. He's developing an app. Bless you.
Thank you.
Wow. Developing an app, so that's awesome. The website is nice. It's easy to navigate. He's got the prices, the scent profiles, everything on that. The presentation was on par with everybody else. The cost is right on par with anybody else. You're talking $15 for a 1-ounce oil, $20 for a 2-ounce oil, $15 and $20 for Balm, and then $23 and $33 for 4-ounce and 8-ounce butters. So what more do you really need from that? He sells them in kits where you can bundle things together, get everything. He also has a Father's Day sale going on right now where you buy like 5 products, you get a 25% discount. There's also a first-time customers 15% discount. And I'll link all that below so you can go check out the website and see all the codes he's got going on. And I believe he's now doing free shipping. He does not charge for shipping anywhere. If I'm wrong, sorry, you can yell at me in the comments. But I believe he's doing free shipping USPS, which is super nice too. A lot of us don't like to pay shipping, so there you go. So when I rank out the company, I come in 8.6. Again, it all comes back to design. So I prefaced it with that. I keep that going through the whole thing because I don't want to discredit him for the feel and beard that he has and the scent profile he comes up with. But design and the way it looks sitting on my shelf is a big part of the ranking system. So now we take all those categories, we add them up together, we divide them up by the number of categories we have to come up with a final FRS score that we put up on the website for Debonair Beard Company. Aubrey's going to help me type it up and put it up there. And when we come in and we rank them out, we come in at a 8.9 for Debonair Beard Company. Check out that face. I think he'd be fighting for number 2, number 1 if the design was on par. We weren't having labels crinkle like this. If he figured out his label game, I think he'd be fighting for a top company on the Faithful Ranker score because the feel and the scents are that's great. So let me know what you think down below. Give Aubreigh a happy birthday. Feel free to check out Debonair. If you have, let me know what you think of the unique scents. I want to hear your feedback on it. I want to hear your thoughts on what you think of Debonair Beard Company. And until we talk to you all... Oh.
And go to my channel, Aubreigh's Magical Life.
Go to Aubrey's channel, Aubrey's Magical Life. It's not a real channel, but maybe we'll create it now. Give me a thumbs up. Give her a thumbs up if you want to see that. And until we talk to you guys on Sunday during the live stream. Actually, I'm on Saturday Night Hype with Beard Swag tomorrow night and Beard and Motivation Saturday night at 9 p.m. Eastern Time on Beard and Motivation's channel. Like, I'm going to be on there. we're going to have some fun, I guess. And then we have the live stream on my channel Sunday night at 7 p.m. Eastern Time. So until I talk to you guys then, be bearded, be you, and God bless. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, that thumbs up, and that bell. Turn on all your notifications so you know when we come out with new content. You can also find us at faithfullybearded.com, on Facebook, on Instagram, and on your favorite podcast network. Just search Faithfully Bearded on your favorite podcast app. God bless.